students, we'll go with the triangles part, which we have seen. Okay. How do we discuss about what is a congruency, right? On the day, right? Congruency of triangles we are discussing. I told you, congruency of triangles is nothing but comparison of triangles with the same shape and same size. With same shape and size. Exact, alike, superimposed figures. So we are discussing the congruency of triangles. So triangle size, how we determine the triangle size with respect to their size or shape means with respect to shape is with respect to angle, size is with respect to sides. Okay. So sides and shape, angles, these two should be considered. Sides is a size and angles is shape. Both disciplines. So this is equality and this is similar. So this is congruency symbol. Already I discussed this part also. This is for your recap because there are sides and angles only. So out of 6, 3 sides and 3 angles, 6 parts, we go with the 3 parts in an order. In an order that if they are equal in both triangles, correspondingly, so we choose like that, okay? We choose that which satisfy the 3, other 3 will be automatically satisfied, fall with that. Correspondingly, the other parts will be equal and the triangles are congruent. Congruent means same shape and same size. So that is called so criteria of congruency. Criteria means procedure. So there are congruency of triangles. All I told you, triangles congruency is respect to order of the parts. With respect to order of the parts, not with respect to alphabetical order. So there is SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS, and SSS. Congruency. Condition. SAS, ASK, AAS, RHS, and SSS congruency condition. Criteria of congruency is that. Okay, sides are same size, angles are same shape, and out of 6 parts we take 3. See, 2 sides, 1 angle. Here 2 sides and included angle. Okay, in between, right? Like that will go. Not that any 2 sides angle, included angle. Okay, criteria of congruency. Next, 2 angles and included side. Next, 2 angles and followed by side. Because after 2 angles, side will come here. Here between 2 angles, side will come. Because after 2 angles, side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. And this one, 3 sides of one triangle. So this is so 2 sides include angle of one triangle with other angles, 2 angles and include side of one triangle with other triangle, 2 angles and followed by a side. That's the order is yes. See, after 2 angles you'll get side. Right angle, this is meant for only right angle triangle. These 4 other triangles meant for, but RHS is only for right angle triangle because where you get right angle and hypotenuse where you get only in case of right triangles. Okay, note on this part. These are about congruency. We'll discuss each case now. Okay. Note on this is congruency criteria. This is exclusively for right angle triangle. Only for right triangle. Only for a triangle it will get RHS. SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS and SSS. Okay. So we discuss each cases. Okay. So if these three parts are respectively equal, these are established congruency conditions. If these parts are respectively equal to other parts of the triangle, automatically other three also will be equal because there is a one-to-one correspondence between sides and opposite angles, angles and opposite sides also. That also we discussed. So other three also hold good, and six parts are superimposed with other six parts of the triangle, and the triangles are exact, alike, and congruent figures. So we know the figure and the confra and as well as the symbol also. And once the angles are established congruency, we go with the corresponding parts of congruent triangles, how they are equal. We'll see it. So the necessary condition is once triangles are established congruency, the corresponding parts are equal. And the sufficient condition is once the corresponding parts are equal, respectively, the necessary condition satisfies that the triangles are congruent. Okay? Congruency is exact shape and same size. Okay, now SAS congruency criteria. First case we'll see here. Right? SAS congruency criteria means two sides include angle. So I am not taking alphabetical order. Two sides and include angle. See here, two sides and include angle. I will write it like this also. You need not take same way. Okay. So in triangles A, B, C and PQR. Take alphabetical. While considering you take alphabetical, but respective parts you are taking. AB is equal to QR, angle B is equal to angle Q, BC is equal to PQ. Okay, therefore by SAS criteria or congruency criteria, two sides include angle. So AB corresponds to ABC I wrote, triangle ABC, first I wrote here, is congruent to AB corresponds to QR and angle B is equal to angle Q. So here Q should come in middle. Okay, AB equal to QR. So R will come here and here leftover will be P like this. So suppose AB is equal to QR, right? And B is equal to Q. Suppose QR here you wrote RQ instead, then B is equal to Q will come, A is equal to Q will come. So like that to satisfy both the conditions you have to write. Then once you establish three parts, two sides of angle was shown as congruent by SAS criteria. So remaining parts what are? Remaining one side. Therefore, AC is equal to PR and remaining two angles. Angle A is equal to AC is equal to PR. Angle A is equal to angle R and angle C is equal to angle P. This is by CPCT. What is CPCT? Once the triangles have established congruency, CPCT indicates that corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This is called corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Likewise, CPCT means. So ABC is congruent to RQP. So AC is equal to PR Angle A is equal to angle R, angle C is equal to angle P. This is by CPCT. Understood now? So this is SAS criteria. Are you clear? Understood all of you? Noted? Have you noted? Next. So I think you have seen this order of congruence is not alphabetical. See here, as per parts only we have taken. Now we go for ASA criteria. So two sides and include angle. Two angles and include side. See here, two angles and to include side here also. Now in triangles ABC and PQR, what you can say? BC is equal to QR, angle B is equal to angle R, angle C is equal to angle Q. So same symbol I have mentioned. Now by what criteria you have to take? ASA criteria. Triangle ABC is congruent to, I take the same order. Now BC corresponds to QR, B is equal to R. Triangle R will come here. BC corresponds to QR means here Q will come. Then automatically here P will come. Remain left over. So BC is equal to QR, angle B is equal to angle R, angle C is equal to angle Q over. Therefore, so AB is equal to PR, remaining side we are taking, and remaining two sides. AC is equal to PQ and angle A is equal to angle P. Remaining parts only will write. Already three parts are equal now. So by CPCT. Already you know it. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Are you clear? This is all about ASA congruency. So again, alphabetical order, the triangles are not alphabetical order. It need not be that, it should not be. But generally, as per equality, will go. Will not take the alphabetical order. ABC is not congruent to PQ, or don't take like that. ABC can be PRQ, here RQP is there, likewise. Note down, remaining parts is congruence, CPCT. Now understand? So, what is the task for this chapter for you? You will be given two triangles and you have to take the respective parts and you have to show them equal and then write the CPCT. That is the task for you. Sometimes the data directly not given, you have to use construction, you have to extract the previous connectors of your knowledge of geometry. That you have to use. You have to use the logic, you have to use the flow, likewise. Next one. We'll go for next case. AAS. Congruency criteria. Two angles followed by a side. Now here two angles are there and here side. Here also two angles side. Here also two angles side. Okay. So ABC PQR. What you can say here? Angle B is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle P. And BC is equal. Sorry, AC is equal to PQ. AC is equal to PQ. Respective parts only. Angle side. But there won't be SSA congruency or ASS. No such congruency is there. Don't take it as is there. So don't take as SSA or ASS. Two sides after one angle not there. Two angles after one side there. So it is as SSA reversal. So these two are not there. No such criteria. Don't take like this congruency. Okay. Now by AS, two angles should be continuous. Then one side will be followed. Angle should be continuous. Then followed by a side, either cyclic or anti-cyclic. Clockwise or anti-clockwise, no problem. But both should be in the same direction. ABC is congruent to. So B is angle R. C is equal to P. So Q or P will come. Because B is R, C is equal to P. So second position, third position. Automatically left over is A is equal to Q. Now already you know B is equal to, so A is equal to Q. So B, AC you got. So AB is equal to QR, remain two sides. Then AC is equal to PQ. This is by CPCT. So automatically once establishes the congruency, corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be followed. Okay? Understand A is congruency, either in cyclic order, two angles followed by a side. Right? SSA and ASA will not be there. Next, SSS criteria. Three sides of one triangle equal to three sides. So automatic angles won't be here. So remove it here and here. Here. So same symbols I have written here. So respective parts we take. BC is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, and AB is equal to QR. So by SSS congruency, ABC is congruent to. So BCPQ, see here, BCPQ, ACPR. What is common in BC and ACC common? Here P common. So here C correspond to P will come. So here P, BC is equal to PQ now. So Q will come here and here R will come. So BC is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR and AB is equal to QR. Yes. Therefore, remaining three angles automatically equal. Three sides are over now. Angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle P by CPCT. So automatically once three sides are equal, so what happens to the remaining parts, corresponding parts? So three angles. Okay, three sides correspondingly, three angles can be equal, right? Understood now? It's the SSS congruency. The last part is left with the right angle triangle, which is called the RHS congruency. Yes, noted? So this is exclusively for right angle triangle, RHS criteria. Only for right angle triangles. This is only for right angle triangles. So I will take only right angle triangles now. This figure will change. So A, B, C. I take like this. P, Q, R. Hypotenuse. So right angle, hypotenuse and one side. Okay. So AC is equal to PQ, RQ. Angle C is equal to angle Q. And AB is equal to PR. So by RHS congruency, because it's right angle triangle, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Okay. So now triangle ABCIK is congruent to triangle. See, AC is equal to RQ and angle C is equal to angle Q. So in these two common, what comes? Q. So Q will come last. Then ABPR, ACR. So R will come here. So PR will be there. So in AB and AC, P common, R common. So R will come here, B. Okay, ACC will Q will come, the remaining will be there. So once congruency is established, angle A is equal to angle P, then angle B is equal to angle R, the remaining side, AB or AC or BC. BC is equal to QR by CP, CD. Remaining parts only will take. So never we have taken willingly non-alphabetical order. We have not taken alphabetical order willingly. So shapes can be anything, don't take exactness. According to equality, we have to identify the parts. Okay, clear? So this is RHS congruency. So we have discussed 5 types of congruency. There is no SSA or ASS congruency, remember it. Okay? Two sides followed by an angle not there. Two angles followed by a side is there. ASA is there, SAS is there, RHS is there, SSS is there. Only 5 type of congruencies. RHS is exclusively for right angle triangle. Okay? Clear? Now types of congruencies and how to establish the order. You understood? Then CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles are understood now. Once the congruency establishes, CPCT follows. Once CPCT falls, congruency establishes accordingly. Like vice versa. I am your teacher of maths, so you are my students of maths. Likewise, it cannot be like that. I am your teacher, you are not my students, or you are not my students, and you are my students. I am not your teacher. It never happened, na? So lest is both ways. So congruency also follows the same. I think you are clear now. Yes, we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.